Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to illustrate on how you can import item with unit of measure. That is, if you sell your item in weight, if you sell in volume, and the likes. So first of all, I'll go to list here. You can see UM set list. Let me see the unit of measure set list. I have one created. I can edit that to see what I have. So I have weight by the gram, so it means 1000 gram in 1 kilogram, and the smallest unit is what I bought and the smallest unit is what I sell, which is in gram. Gram is the smallest unit. So once you've confirmed that, you just go straight ahead to list, then go to add or edit multiple lists. Now from this you can actually import or copy and paste from your Excel into QuickBooks. Okay, so I'm going to select this drop down for the list and click on inventory part. Now I might have some columns which I don't have regards for, which I don't need at the moment. So I'll right click anywhere, customize the column. Let me edit on that. So you remove some of the column that you don't need. This sub item off, I don't need it, I just remove it. And the cost, sales price, cost of goods to the account, preferred vendor, I don't need that, I just remove it. Income account is important, asset account is important, 3 other, if I don't need that, I remove that. And the maximum, then I have total value. The manufacturer's part number, if it is not then the unit of measurement. So when I click on OK, I have my columns, the most important columns available. So let's say I want to import what can we use? Let's say Gary. Let's use Gary. So the cost is here, the sales price is also here, then cost of goods to the account. So the income account, whenever you say is required, so I'm going to select sales. Then if you put at the cost, now before you put the cost, I want us to look at something. We are using unit of the weight by gram. So it means anything you are going to be putting here on quantity is measured based on gram. So let's say I want to put 500 gram. So it means we have Gary, but it's 500 gram. Remember, whilst I was showing us the unit of measure set list, I said by gram. So from the weight by gram, you see that we have 1000 gram for 1 kilogram. So we purchase in gram. We purchase in gram, we also sell in gram, but you can also purchase in kilogram and also sell in kilogram. So but it's important to put the smallest unit, should in case you get or buy or selling, okay, in gram. Okay, so go back to add or edit multiple list. So over here I've selected weight by gram and I said 500 is, so we have 500 gram. Remember, based on the measurement. Now the price that we're going to insert here is going to be per gram. So if you are buying the cost is for the purchase, the sales price is for the sales. So if you are buying the 1 kilogram for, let's say, 20,000, so that will be equal to 20,000 divided by, you know how many grams in 1 kilogram is 1000, so it's divided by 1000 to give us per gram. Once you click on enter, we have 20, so it means per gram is 20 naira. Okay, then if you want to say per gram, you can just put a percentage, let's say 30. It's fine. So now let's go ahead and see. Let me delete this other line. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what value will be left with. Now you can see now the total value here is 10,000. How is it 10,000? It means 500 times 20. So 500 times 20 is going to give you 10,000. So with this, you are able to import these items with the unit of measure. With the unit of measure, remember, using the smallest unit. So if it is 1000 you have, it means we have 1 kg, which is the 20,000 the computation we did over here. We did 20,000 divided by 1,000, so it's correct that way. So we're going to go ahead and save the changes. So once you save the changes, it has been saved. So let's assume we want to sell, so that we'll see how the price is going to reflect when we create an invoice. So let's say, or enter a bill. So let's enter a bill and make a purchase from a selected vendor. Okay, so now select, we'll go to the item tab, then we'll click on Gary. So once you click on Gary, you can see the cost for 1 gram. Unit of measure gram is 20 naira. So if it happens that you are buying a kg, so it's supposed to be 1 kg, you can click on 1 kg, it would change itself. And if it is 2 kg, it will change to 40,000. So this way we are able to import this item with its unit of measure, and also buy in that regard. So let's also sell. Let's go to customer and create an invoice. So remember, we insert 30 naira as the sales price per gram. So I'm going to go ahead. So it's not compulsory you must sell in gram, just do the multiplication. So let's click on Gary. You see now 30 naira will reflect based on gram, but if you click on kilogram, it will go to 30,000. So these are ways you can actually make an adjustment and also sell those items with their unit of measure. I believe we are able to understand this. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video. You can also turn on notifications so that you get notified whenever I make new videos. Bye. See you in the next class.